So, welcome to the video. This video is talking about transitioning and falling back into old habits. Is it okay to go back? Is it okay to go back a little bit for a while? For me, it's okay to go back into other habits that are ethical. But if it's unethical, we don't want to take too long. We want to transition quickly, as fast as possible to ethics. So we want to get out of being involved with directly or indirectly where we pay others to do it, such as killing, rape, which is involved in the animal industry, where there's the meat industry, dairy industry, fish industry, all this sort of stuff, cheese, egg, yogurt, etc. So we may want to transition into raw veganism, Pachamama, sun food, living food from nature, which is very positive for massive life extension and energy and quality of life. It upgrades you in terms of business, relationships, mentally, emotionally, physically, all of those types of ways. But you can take as long as you want with that. But when it comes to veganism, which is about ethics, you don't, imagine you were a slave. You wouldn't want to say to your slave owner, take your time. It's okay to go back into keeping me a slave for a long time, or hurting me, or hitting me. Take your time. What we want is for them to transition out of that habit and pattern and unconsciousness, thinking it's okay, as fast as possible, so we don't have to be abused or captive or hurt in any way, shape or form. So when it comes to ethics, you don't want to play around, doss about. You want to quit those habits and things that are hurtful as ASAP. Now, one other thing, hurting or sabotaging yourself is not optimal. We want to stop that. We want to love ourselves by protecting and nurturing ourselves with good things, people, places, etc. Okay, they're beautiful and good. Okay, but to involve others and hurt others, it's encroaching on their choice or consent or free will. So to do without their consent or hurt them in any way, shape or form, we want to stop doing that ASAP. But when it comes to yourself, at least it's about you. You're choosing that for yourself. No one's forcing it on you. But we don't want anyone to force abuse onto us, and we don't want to force abuse onto others. So I hope that makes sense about transitioning and taking your time, or being fast and really diligent. And there you go. It's very diligent when it comes to ethics, to do things ASAP. Thank you. Lots of love.